What if you could experience the freedom of flight without owning a massive aircraft or spending years training for a traditional pilot certificate? Ultralight Aviation makes that dream surprisingly accessible. Under FAA Part 103 in the United States, certain qualifying ultralights can be flown without a pilot certificate, although they must follow specific operating and weight restrictions. In this video, we're exploring 10 cheap ultralight aircraft that prove flying doesn't always have to mean enormous costs or complicated machinery. From simple open-frame designs to lightweight single-seat aircraft and unusual flying machines, every model on this list offers something different. Some look like flying bicycles, while others resemble tiny airplanes. So, which one delivers the best combination of affordability, simplicity, and pure flying excitement? Let's count down the 10 most fascinating options. Aero Adventure Aventura UL. The Aero Adventure Aventura UL is a distinctive single-seat amphibious ultralight built around a high-wing pusher configuration. Its composite fiberglass hull, aluminum tube structure, Dacron-covered wings, and retractable landing gear allow it to operate from both land and water. Published specifications list a cruise speed of about 55 miles per hour, a 27-foot wingspan, and a Rotax 447 engine around 40 to 48 horsepower, depending on configuration. Its 3-axis controls and unobstructed high-wing visibility give it an appealing recreational design. However, the commonly cited 328-pound empty weight means it does not automatically qualify for every Part 103 configuration. Legality depends on the exact aircraft and setup. Quicksilver MX1 Sport. The Quicksilver MX Sport is a lightweight single-seat ultralight designed for responsive recreational flying. It uses a 40-horsepower Rotax 447 engine, a double surface wing, conventional 3-axis controls, and a 66-inch propeller. Quicksilver lists a 254-pound empty weight, 525-pound maximum takeoff weight, and a 58 mile/hour maximum level speed. Its short takeoff capability, quick control response, and improved crosswind handling make it an interesting choice for experienced pilots. Build quality is a key strength, with aircraft-grade aluminum tubing, durable fittings, stainless steel cables, and pre-sewn polyester sail coverings. Quicksilver also emphasizes easy kit assembly and quality manufacturing. Aerolite 103. The Aerolite 103 is a professionally built, single-seat ultralight designed for recreational flying. According to Eurofly IT's official website, it features a fully anodized airframe, Dacron covering, electric flaps, shock-absorbing main landing gear, a steerable nose wheel with suspension, hydraulic brakes, and a 4-point restraint system. The aircraft can use engines from 28 to 50 horsepower. Official specifications list a 235-pound empty weight for one configuration, a 600-pound gross weight, 26 to 28 miles per hour stall speed, and 45 to 63 miles per hour cruise speed. Its aluminum construction and comprehensive standard equipment give it a solid, quality-focused design for an ultralight aircraft. Kolb FireFly. The Kolb FireFly is a lightweight, single-seat ultralight designed around simplicity, durability, and enjoyable flying. According to Kolb Aircraft's official website, it weighs just 254 pounds and uses a 40-horsepower engine, keeping it within FAR Part 103 ultralight requirements. Its welded 4130 chrome moly steel fuselage, rigid truss ribs, 5-inch aluminum wing spar, and Stitz aircraft covering emphasize strength and quality. Quick folding wings make storage and transportation easier, while the pusher configuration provides excellent visibility and a 360-degree cabin view. Conventional 3-axis controls offer responsive yet stable handling, with gentle stall characteristics around 30 miles per hour. Overall, the FireFly combines practical construction with sporty performance and strong build quality. CGS Hawk Classic. The CGS Hawk Classic is a distinctive ultralight aircraft recognized for combining an enclosed cockpit with practical, conventional aircraft design. According to CGS Aviation's official website, the Classic features 3-axis controls, 3 position flaps, a strut-braced wing, pusher engine configuration, and a choice of steerable tricycle or tailwheel landing gear. Its specifications include a 310-pound empty weight, 600-pound gross weight, 28-foot 10-inch wingspan, and 135 square foot wing area. Depending on the engine package, power ranges from 40 to 65 horsepower, while listed cruise speed is 55 to 75 miles per hour. The anodized tubing construction and field-friendly assembly further emphasize durability, simplicity, and long-term quality. Ziggalo MG12. The Aviat Ziggalo MG12 is a lightweight single-seat motor glider designed around simplicity and soaring. According to Aviat's official website, it uses a 3-axis control system, high wing, tubular aluminium frame, Dacron fabric covering, and pusher propulsion. The aircraft has an 11.3 meter wingspan, 15 square meter wing area, and a standard empty weight of about 90 kilograms, or 95 kilograms with its parachute. Its listed maximum takeoff weight is 220 kilograms. Aviat also describes the MG12 as capable of operating as either a powered motor glider or pure glider. With modular construction and straightforward assembly, it offers an interesting blend of practicality, lightness, and traditional soaring characteristics. Eurofly Minifox. The Eurofly Minifox is a compact ultralight focused on simplicity, safety, and practical flying. Eurofly's official website lists a 6.10 meter length, 8.65 meter wingspan, and 10.06 square meter wing area. Its empty weight is 116 kilograms, while maximum takeoff weight reaches 230 kilograms. The company gives a maximum speed of 111 kilometers per hour, 90 kilometers per hour cruise speed, and 45 kilometers per hour stall speed, with a 2.5 meters per second climb rate. Its 18-liter fuel tank and approximately 70-meter takeoff run suit recreational operations. Eurofly also offers folding wings, allowing the aircraft to be stored more conveniently. Overall, the Minifox emphasizes lightweight construction, straightforward handling, and practical usability. Evolution Trikes Rev. The Evolution Trikes Rev is an open-air recreational trike designed with simplicity and visibility in mind. Evolution Trikes states that the Rev uses all-wheel suspension and can be equipped with large 17-inch Tundra tires, along with a dual hydraulic nosewheel brake. One of its standout design features is the absence of a front strut, creating a remarkably open forward view for the pilot. The manufacturer also says the aircraft can be folded from flying configuration for easier storage and transportation, with setup taking roughly 6 to 10 minutes. This combination of open visibility, suspension, folding capability, and practical landing gear design makes the Revi an interesting choice for recreational trike aviation. Mosquito Air. The Mosquito Air is a lightweight, single-seat helicopter developed around a remarkably simple open-frame concept. According to the official VACO aviation information, the model was discontinued in 2019, but it remains notable in ultralight aviation history. Its aircraft-grade aluminum frame uses a straightforward triangulated structure designed to combine strength, reduced weight, and easier construction. The open cockpit provides an exceptionally unobstructed view, while the compact design gives the helicopter a distinctive minimalist character. The Mosquito Air was created as an ultralight helicopter rather than a conventional enclosed aircraft, emphasizing simplicity and direct flying experience. Overall, its lightweight engineering and unusual design made it a memorable personal helicopter concept. Ruppert Archaeopteryx. The Ruppert Archaeopteryx is a remarkable Swiss-designed aircraft that blends hang glider agility with sailplane-style performance. According to the manufacturer's official website, it weighs only 61 kilograms and offers a natural speed range of 30 to 130 kilometers per hour. Its glide ratio reaches 28, while the sink rate is listed at just 0.5 meters per second. The aircraft can be launched by foot, bungee, winch, towing, or its optional electro drive system, which provides up to 2.5 meters per second climb. Tool-free rigging takes around 10 minutes, making transportation practical. Available with open or enclosed cockpit configurations, the Archaeopteryx combines lightweight construction, impressive soaring ability, versatile launching options, and high-quality Swiss craftsmanship in a truly distinctive package.